let your kingdom come. Father, let your will be done on earth as in heaven, right here in my heart. Hey, everybody, Wade McNutt here, pianomeditation.com. Piano meditation worship tutorials. Make sure and get you some cheat sheets. Key of C. Look at those chords. They are below the video in the description. No songs in there, just chords. So we'll be playing, start with the C chord here on the verse, and C and G in the bass, and then we'll jump. It has this D minor / C. So we got D minor in the right hand, D, F sharp, A. But we keep the C in the bass. So why would you do that? Well, it says / C. So anything after the slash is talking just to the bass player. Okay. So you'll go, Father, let your kingdom come. Father, let your will be done on earth as in heaven, right here in my heart. See how that works? Pretty simple getting through this verse. So this could be a simple version in the key of C. Original recording is in A, but we'll just show you a simple way to play and sing through this in your favorite key, the key of C. All right, let's get into the chorus here. And as we go through this, actually, we get to pray the Our Father. Give us this day our daily bread. So pray that too as part of your lesson. It'll be a beautiful thing. Give us this day. Into the chorus, we have F, A, C. And you might be asking, like, how come you don't just jump up here like this and play an F chord? Well, one, it sounds better to do this. But two, it keeps everything close together. So F, A, C, or if I move the C down here, it's these notes. Isn't that amazing? It's called an inversion. So all you got to do is that to get to F. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us. And we'll do the same thing on G here. Forgive us as we forgive the ones who sinned against us. Forgive. Lead us not into temptation. All right, so you notice we're just following wherever the chords are above the word. That shows us kind of our changing spot. This might be something you have to pause and get used to moving through these chords. That's fine. That's the beautiful of the video. You can do that. You can pause it and work those things out. But deliver us. So if you want to, we can do the same D minor that we did. Deliver us. Or you can do the root D minor, which is just these notes right here. Liver us. And here's our A minor. Liver us. Liver us. Liver us from the evil one. So those are your quick moving chords. Let your kingdom come. Let me play that, not the fart, the part with you again. I was totally about to say that, and then I said it anyway. Why didn't I just keep it in my head? And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. So just quick movements. Once you get them down, no big deal. Let your kingdom come. Okay, we're rocking through this. We're going fast. You're awesome. It's yours to F. All yours. Nope. F / C. Keep the C in the bass. All yours. The kingdom, the power. Here's our A minor. The glory are yours. Oh, that's nice. Those just move. A minor to the G. Ha. Glory are yours. It's yours. It's yours. It's yours. All yours. All yours. Forever and ever. The kingdom is yours. Okay. This next part of the bridge, a lot of slashy chords, but it's not scary. You know how to do it. I've already showed you how to do it, so you can do it, okay? C to E. It's yours. So E's in bass. C here, E in the bass. It's yours. It's yours to an F. All yours. All yours. Now a C / G. C / G. The kingdom, the power, the glory are yours. To a G, regular G. That's why we moved to here. Then the A minor. It's yours. It's yours. All yours. And forever and ever. The sound of those chords. Okay, so that's basically the flow through the whole songs, basically. Okay, so let's play and we'll pray and sing all of this together. Here we go. Just stay on a C. We'll do this C/D minor. It's kind of our intro. Here we go. Father, let your kingdom come. Father, let your will be done on earth as in heaven, right here in mine. Let's repeat that. If you want stronger, we'll double your bass notes. Father, let your kingdom come. Father, let your will be done. Earth as in heaven. You can double the right hand if you even want more. Right here in my heart. If you're gonna do that though, you gotta go ba ba ba. Kind of accent those first 1 and 3. Right here in my heart to the chorus. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us as we forgive the ones who sin against us. Forgive them. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. Let your kingdom come. It's yours. Here we go. It's yours. The kingdom, the power, the glory are yours. It's yours, all yours, come on, forever and ever. The kingdom is yours. Next part, it's yours, all yours. Keep messing with the words. You sing the right ones though. Kingdom. The power, the glory are yours. It's yours, and all yours, forever and ever. The kingdom is yours. Father, let your kingdom come. Pray it. Father, let your will be done. Mean it when you sing it. Earth as in heaven, right here in my heart. Earth as in heaven, on earth as in heaven, right here in my heart, on earth as in heaven, right here in my heart. Amen. Yeah, we got to pray the words that we sing where it means nothing. God bless y'all, guys. Wade McNutt here, the Lord's Prayer. Hey, sign up for the email list below in the more part of this video, right below in the description, and stay in contact with me, and I can show you all kinds of other things about playing the piano, send you some cool emails to help move you forward in your journey. God bless you. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.